you're ready to begin your transmission,
this is KG5 PT Mobile, Mobile, Alabama. I'm mobile in Mobile, Alabama.
Once the net is clear, give me your call sign twice and slow so I can copy and log you in. I do not have my ears on today, so kind of go slow. And
this is KG5 PT Mobile. I'm mobile
Keep left to stay on
in
I-10
Mobile, Alabama.
If not, I'll just go back and get what I got partial in.
Mobile, Alabama.
So I'm going to open up the net to the short timers. Any short timers out there, give me a call sign. This is Kilo Juliet
Keep
5
left to stay on
Bravo
I-10
Whiskey
East.
Bravo. Kilo Juliet 5 Bravo Whiskey Bravo. Mobile and short time academy.
KG5 PT Mobile,
Continue
short
on
time,
I-10 East for
Mobile,
61
Alabama. About to go into the tunnel.
Roger that. This is K5CRA. We picked up Kilo Juliet 5 Bravo Whiskey Bravo. What's going on, Willie? You're the man that I wanted to hopefully we'll get on the radio so you can talk about you gonna do that field day or not, man? Well, K5CRA in the group from KJ5BWB. We'll go ahead and say just real quick, as the queue goes up, the bandwidth decreases. You do really good at 146.520, but as soon as you move to 146.530, well, it starts getting worse rapidly. So higher the queue, the less bandwidth you have. And I'm not sure about field day yet. I'm kind of up in the air about where to go. Unfortunately, this year I don't believe it'll be with the Cove Club. Field day should be a social